What is scientific research? It sounds complicated, but it's not. At its core, scientific research is just a structured way of asking questions about the world and finding answers using observation and evidence, not just guesses. Think of it as organized curiosity with a clear game plan. It's about being a detective for the natural world. Let's break it down with a simple example that you might have even noticed at home. You see that the plants sitting near your window look way healthier and happier than the ones tucked away in a corner. That sparks a question. Does sunlight really help plants grow better? Now, instead of just assuming, yep, probably, a scientific mindset would want to prove it. This is where the process begins. First, you start with your question. Why do plants near the sunlight seem to grow faster and look greener? Second, you form a hypothesis. A hypothesis is just a fancy word for an educated guess that you can test. So, your hypothesis might be, plants that get direct sunlight will grow taller than plants kept in the shade. Third, it's time to set up an experiment to test that hypothesis. This is the fun part. You'd take two similar plants. Let's call them Plant A and Plant B. You place Plant A on a sunny windowsill and Plant B in a shady corner of the room. To make it a fair test, you give both plants the exact same amount of water, the same type of soil, and keep them in the same room temperature. The only thing you're changing is the amount of sunlight. Fourth, you observe and collect data. This means you're not just glancing at them every so often. You'd get out a ruler and measure the height of each plant every week. You might also count the number of new leaves, or note their color. You write everything down. Fifth, after a few weeks, you analyze your results. You look at the numbers you've collected. You'll probably see that Plant A, the one in the sun, has grown significantly taller and has more vibrant green leaves compared to Plant B. Finally, you draw a conclusion. Based on your evidence, you can confidently say that your hypothesis was correct. Sunlight does help plants grow better. You've proven it with data, not just an assumption. And that's scientific research in a nutshell. It is this exact process, from curiosity to conclusion, that turns our I wonder why moments into reliable, trustworthy knowledge.